my vlog for today's day off. Ngayon, medyo sabog-sabog na yung day off. Oh my gosh, sobrang liwanag. Pero yes, ngayon medyo hindi na sunod-sunod yung day off. So, yung day off ko is like sandwich na. Ngayon day off, tapos bukas may pasok, tapos day off ulit. Parang gano'n, hindi na siya like consecutive. Hindi ko alam kung gapo ako, di ba? Hindi ko alam kung ngayon lang or I'm not sure. Pero yes. Kakagising lang natin for today's video. And tell me you need exercise without telling me you need exercise. So ngayon, it's morning for us. Morning 10 a.m. is morning for us. Meron kami electric fan dyan sa likod. And yes, for today is we will prepare Filipino breakfast. We will not have garlic rice today, pero we'll have like mainit-init na kanin. Let's see kung anong machichikos ko sa inyo today. I'm gonna miss this view and this lighting. And I'm sure na by now is napapanood nyo na yung... wait lang. Yes, I assume na by now is napapanood nyo na yung video ko na tinur ko kayo dito sa apartment namin. But yes, we're moving out. But yeah, we are still arranging our movers and I will share it with you as well. I told Din that mag-clip siya kahit konti para lang makita nyo din kung paano. But it's technically like you will rent a truck to help you move your things, and then you will, and they have like staff to help you carry all the big things or the heavy things. And yeah, technically ganun lang siya, and then magbabayad ka lang. I'm not sure the price range, but there are a lot of websites na nag-offer ng ganun, and I'm not sure yet which is a good company or what, kasi this will be our first time. And we also have a friend na tumutulong sa amin mag-move, pero I'm not sure if yung lahat ng mga things namin is kasya sa van, or kung hindi talaga is baka mag-movers talaga kami, mag-rent talaga kami ng movers company, or removalist yung tawag nila. I'm not sure what's the correct term, basta sila yung tumutulong sa inyo to move out from one place to another. It's okay, I'll just go price for today's video. Hindi makita eh. And today's ulam will be Delimundo by Clint Irish. Right, so here's our breakfast for today's video. So, of course, mainit-init na rice, yung scrambled egg, and yung sunny side up ni Tin, nahihingi ako mamaya. And yes, the corned beef na, oh my gosh, so pretty. And of course, hindi mawawala yung leftover namin from last night, which is fish, and then dried fish, anchovy, which is yung dilis, and yes, and my coffee pa. And we have sausawan. And this one is extra lang to. This is our snack yesterday na hindi namin naubos. Yeah! By the way, guys, this is our first time to try this Delimundo corned beef, and we will get the reaction. Ano namin churam dyan. Okay, first try, first bite. How was it?
Good.
Good? Pure Foods or Delimundo?
May pagka-pure foods. Pure foods.
May pagka-Pure Foods. Yeah, we didn't have the chance to buy this in the Philippines. Dito pa kami sa Filipino store nakahanap nito. But yeah, he said it's good. And let me try it as well. Yes, yan na yan. Let me just try. First bite of the Delimundo corned beef. I'm not sure. Alam ko mahal to sa Pilipinas na grocery before when we can't afford to buy this. But kung saan pa kami napunta dito sa Australia, dito pa kami nakabili sa Filipino store. Let's try first bite. I understand why people like this so much. This is not your typical corned beef. And yeah, it tastes somehow like Pure Foods. But, girl, this is my definition of corned beef. Kasi, konting story time. Back then, nung pinapadalhan kami or binibigyan kami ng mga like goods from abroad, hindi ko nakuha kung anong brand, pero meron silang binibigay na corned beef before. Na it's like yung may susing corned beef. But, it's not the corned beef that we have here. Or I can't compare. Pero yung corned beef na yun, no, parang color blue. Yung packaging niya, that time, I'm not sure if alam nyo yun. But yeah, yung disusi siya na corned beef. Yun talaga yung na-try ko nung bata pa ako na sobrang sarap na sarap talaga ako na hindi ko talaga siya ma-compare sa Philippines na brand. And this tastes exactly like that. As in, Team Promise. It tastes exactly like that. I can't remember what's the name, but it's kind of blue. Blue yung packaging. And yeah, this one. And I can't find it here in Australia kasi yung corned beef dito is, what's the brand din? The yellow one. This one, the brand. This one is good as well, pero not as good as this one. Hindi ko talaga siya ma-explain. But now I know, this one is this medyo mahal? Yeah, this one is medyo mahal like the usual. Kasi yung mga corned beef dito sa grocery dito, you can buy it like, how much? $3? $4? $2, mga ganun. Pero ito, medyo $10. No, this is not that mahal, right? Is it $4 or $10? I can't remember, but I can't remember at all. But yeah, it's so good. Now I understand why people love this so much. Yes, and we will eat.
A few moments later.
So, kakauwi ko lang. Lumabas lang ako ng slide. Kailangan kong bumili ng sabon pang laba. And yes, mabilis lang ako sa labas. And ngayon, uminit lang ako ng leftover pizza. And wala kasi kaming air fryer or oven. Kaya ito na lang, ito yung ginagamit ko pang init. Parang pan lang. Tapos kino-cover ko lang siya. And hindi naman siya nagiging soggy. Nagiging crispy naman siya. So, yan lang yung merienda ko for today before I do my laundry, which is late na actually. It's almost 6 p.m. na, pero ngayon parang akong maglalaba kasi wala kami kaninang this one, sabon na labada. And I have to go out pa and nakakatamad kanina. So, yes, ngayon pa lang ako maglalaba. And yes, ngayon yung off ko is hiwa-hiwalay. Medyo hindi ako masyado nakakapag-rest. So, kung off ko is tinatake time ko na lang siya matulog or like magpahinga para kahit papaano nilow-fire ko lang siya. Para kahit papaano is meron naman tayong energy bukas pagbalik ng work. And yun. Ngayon is, I think, slowly ko nang i-detach or ikukunin yung mga gamit sa parang drawer namin para like good to go na. And then, yes, that's the agenda for today. Actually, yun lang. What I usually do in my off is magpahinga lang talaga. Hindi na masyado lumalabas kasi hindi naman kami masyado nagsasabay ng off ni Tin. So, yun, kung magsasabay kami, kumakain kami sa labas or nagsasnack kami sa labas. Pero kung ako lang naman mag-isa, hindi ako tumatagal sa labas kasi, ewan ko, hindi ko feel lumabas na ako lang. Like, ewan kumain sa labas na ako lang. And for now is yung mga foods dito sa apartment is slowly namin kino-consume para konti na lang yung dadalhin namin sa apartment na lilipatan namin, which is share ko rin sa inyo. And there is magsaset tayo ng ating vlogging area para for better content because we are content creator. Cheers! So, ayun. I think luto na yung pizza ko. And meron kaming binili last time na pinakita ko sa inyo na ito, pineapple kiwi. I'm not sure. Hopefully, hindi siya masyadong maasim. Kasi ang alam ko is yung kiwi, maasim siya. So, hopefully, this is not that maasim. So, itatry natin siya. Bakit ang liwanag? That's not the best angle. And ayun, shake lang natin. Shake well. Smells so nice. Ooh, color is green. There you go. Try ko lang muna. Together with my pizza. I don't know if everyone knows this already, pero pag umiinit ako ng like something na hindi na siya fresh or parang hindi na siya crispy kasi nga wala kaming air fryer, is pinapan ko lang siya and kino-cover ko siya and nagiging crispy naman siya. Let's try. Narinig mo ba yun? It's still crispy. Na-ref na ito ng 2 days. So good. This is Pizza Hut. Refreshing. Hindi ko alam dahil malamig siya, pero I like it. It's something that kung makikita ko, bibilhin ko. Just half a baso.